Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you sweet corn tikki with red lentils. It's a delicious recipe in a rainy day. You can serve this yummy tikki with hot tea. For making this recipe, I took half cup sweet corn and half cup red lentils. Wash the red lentils 2 to 3 times. Lentils have a compound in their skin that tastes soapy, so it's important rinse it away. Soak the lentils for half an hour. Then add in a grinder jar. Add the sweet corn. Firstly grind and then add half of an onion, 2 sliced green chili, big teaspoon corn flour, handful of coriander leaves, salt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder and baking powder. Grind without mixing water, then again mash with your hand and prepare some small tikki. Turn on the heat, put a pan, add sufficient oil. When oil is smoky hot, then add the tikki one by one. In a medium to low heat, fry the tikki until the bottom is set and the bottom is lightly brown color. You can make the same recipe with any type of lentils, but when you will add the red lentil with sweet corn, it tastes awesome. Turn it over and fry the other side until it golden brown color. Then take it out from oil. Spread on a tissue paper. Serve this yummy sweet corn tikki with hot tea in a rainy day. Thanks for watching.